If you service engines, pumps, hydraulic systems, or precision mechanical assemblies, you already know this. Seal removal and installation is delicate work. One scratch in a seal groove, one small gouge in an aluminum housing can turn into a future oil leak, coolant leak, or hydraulic failure. Metal tools may remove seals quickly, but they can also introduce expensive problems. That's why Bojo Tools engineers developed the ORT2 6KIT XNGL, a comprehensive 6-piece heavy-duty composite plastic kit designed to help you remove, clean, and reinstall seals while reducing the risk of surface damage. This kit combines O-ring removal tools, micro scrapers, and seal applicators, giving you a complete seal service solution in one organized set. Here's what's included. 2 radius O-ring pick tools, the ORT2 170-173 XNGL, and the ORT2 174-175 XNGL. One large radius design and one small radius design, allowing you to carefully lift and remove O-rings while maintaining control inside tight grooves. 2 compact micro scrapers, the MST2 176-180 XNGL and the MST2 177-179 XNGL. Each scraper features dual scraping tips of different widths, making them ideal for removing old sealant, cleaning excess gasket material, clearing debris from delicate channels, and working in smaller or tighter spaces. 2 heavy-duty seal applicators, the SAT2 204-203 XNGL and the SAT2 205-202 XNGL. These double-ended applicators help you apply, adjust, or seat seals more efficiently while reducing the risk of scratching delicate components. All 6 tools in this kit are manufactured using Bojo's XNGL material, a 50% glass-filled nylon composite engineered for high strength, long tool life, and resistance to solvents and paint strippers. XNGL is Bojo's heavy-duty formulation, harder and stronger than standard nylon alone, making it ideal for demanding removal operations. The result? You get the durability needed for tough shop environments, with significantly reduced risk compared to metal tools. The ORT2 6KIT XNGL comes neatly organized in a vinyl storage pouch to keep your tools protected and ready for use. Whether you need one kit for your personal toolbox or larger quantities for your shop or fleet, you can order in any quantity at bojotools.com. It is proudly made in the USA and backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. To learn more about this kit or explore our full line of composite plastic tools, visit bojotools.com. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your next project.